Brad from wpsites.net. Let's take a look at video 7, which is about adding links in WordPress. This is one of the videos in a series of video tutorials for beginners. And you can see there's some related links there. There's different types of links you can create in WordPress. You can create internal links. You can create HTML links in your image captions, and you can also we'll also take a look at editing comment links, and we'll also take a look at creating links for the sidebar and different link categories. So let's go to our demo site now, and we can see these sidebar links in here. These are automatically created as you add categories and post your categories. But what if you would want to create custom links here and put links to different pages or posts on your site, and also to external sites? Well, let's log into the back end of WordPress, into the dashboard, and let's just have a look at we'll go into posts, add new post, links demo, title this. Let's just add some text here. Links demo is a text. We want to link this to another page or post in WordPress. So rather than fill out the link in here and search for it and put the title in, we can just choose from the drop down here and just say this is the page we want to use. This will automatically populate this field, the URL field, with the correct permalink to that page, and also add the title of that page or post. So we insert that, and you can see that's created a link. If you look in the back end, you can see into the HTML editor, you can see the HTML that WordPress has created. Click Save Draft. Let's just preview this link and test it. Here's the link here. We click on the link and it goes through to that page that we linked to. So that's a very, very easy way and a fast and efficient way to link internally within WordPress posts and pages. You'll notice from WordPress 3.5 there is no links. There used to be a blog roll links in the previous version of WordPress 3.4 and earlier versions, and that's been taken out. So if you want to add links in your sidebar or into different widget areas, you'll have to add a plugin for it. So let's just see what the plugin is. I think it's called Links Manager. They've actually taken that out of the core and they've created a plugin. Let's just have a look. By WordPress. This is it here in WordPress 3.5. The link manager, which some use to build blog rolls, will be disabled by default. Well, we are using WordPress 3.5 and we are using the latest WordPress default theme 2012. So let's just install this plugin. Click on install now. Activate plugin. And here we go. This is recreated the old functions that were included in the WordPress core in earlier versions. So we can create different link categories, and this is very similar in terms of how you create categories like we did with post categories. And we can have categories for we'll look at my demo site, actually my own live site, and I've created custom links down here. Popular post. You could actually install a popular post plugin, or you can create them yourself. You don't need to add the slug. WordPress will do that automatically. You can add a description in there. So let's just create 3 different categories, and something related to your content on your own site that you may want to create a list of links for and put them in your footer or in your sidebar. So we'll just use these existing ones. Some company information you might want to include in your footer. So there's 3 separate categories that we've created. Now we can add different links to those categories. We click on Add New, and the first one, Popular Post, will Beginner's Guide to Starting a Website's very popular on my site. So I'll just grab the URL to that specific page, and let's put in the web address here. Now the title is Getting Started with WordPress. always put a description in here as well. I think that's a really good idea. Make sure you put a description in there, and that'll be displayed when someone mouses over the link, which is in your footer or your sidebar. If we have a look at, you can see here, you can see the description comes up, so this is a good idea. This tells your readers what the links are, what the content is on if they click through to that site. So you put a description in there. Now then you have to assign these different links to different categories. So this one was for popular posts, so I'll assign this link to popular posts, and I've added that link now, and so on and so on. So you can click on all links and you can see all the different links. These ones have been created by default when you first install WordPress, so you can actually delete them if you don't want to link to WordPress. And we'll just look at the one I created there, which is getting started with WordPress. I can put that link in my sidebar now and go to Appearance and Widgets, and the main menu here, the main sidebar, we grab the Links widget and we just put that up the top. Select will display all links by link title. We want to show the link name. We don't want to show the description, but you can if you like. Number of links to show in this case is just one. If you've got 100 links that you've created, you may only want to just display 5 or 10. So let's just see what that looks like now in the sidebar. And here you can see this is the category of the links is popular post, and here's the link that I've assigned to that particular link category. So it's pretty easy to make links and put them in your sidebars, and you can also put them in your footer depending on your theme. If your theme offers footer widgets like mine does, you can put them all over the place. You can put them in your footer, you can put them in the sidebar, you can put them in your header, you can put them pretty much anywhere. So that's just a basic overview of how to create links, how to use links internally. Now there's a few other things I've discussed just below this video. I've included some links to other articles, editing links in comments. When people leave comments, they tend to leave a link to their website or a link to somewhere else. You might not want to allow that, so you can remove it and publish the rest of the content. If you suffer any broken links, there's a really good plugin that you can use to check for broken links, and I've included a link below the video as well. There's also a full post that I've written on how to use links in WordPress as well below this video on my site, so you may want to check that out as well. That's all I've got for you today on links. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.